Hey guys, real nice Guyana here with another real nice recipe. Today we're gonna be making pot roast chicken, and for this pot roast chicken recipe we have the chicken here. We're gonna be using some Chinese sauce, some cassava cassareep, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, jerk seasoning. We're gonna be using some spice here, about quarter of an onion, 2 stems of shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 wiri pepper, and some celery. And that's all the ingredients we're going to be using for this pot roast chicken, guys. So let's get started. And we're going to also be adding a little bit of salt to this recipe as well. Okay guys? Okay guys, so first we're going to cut up our chicken here. Okay guys, so first we're going to cut up our chicken here. Okay guys, so we've cut up the chicken here and washed it. Now we're ready to season. First we're going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning. And 1 teaspoon of the chicken seasoning. Some black pepper. And we're going to add the chopped onions there. We're mincing the garlic and pepper here. The 2 cloves of garlic and the 1 wiri pepper. And we're going to add that to the chicken as well. So now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of the Chinese sauce here. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the cassava cassareep. We're going to add a cinnamon stick there and our minced garlic and pepper. The shallot and celery we have cut up here, but we're going to add it towards the end of the dish. Okay guys? And we're going to add a little bit of salt, about that much. About a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix that all in. Okay guys, so after mixing this here, you can let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna start cooking this. Okay, so see you then. Okay guys, so we've heated up this pan here, and we're gonna add our chicken now. This is a non-stick pan, the best pan to cook this in. Now we're gonna just throw the juices in that was at the bottom of the bowl in there, and we're gonna let this cook, guys. So see you in a little bit. We're gonna cover that as well and let it cook. So we have our stove on medium here, and we're gonna keep it that way until this is finished. Okay? Okay guys, so this pot roast chicken has been on here for 20 minutes now. Now we're gonna show you what it looks like. And that's it there, looking delicious already. So we're just gonna flip them over now. So now we're gonna add our chopped shallots and celery here. Okay guys, so we're gonna cover that back after adding the shallots there and the celery. Now we're gonna let it cook again. Should be about another 10 minutes and this will be done. Okay guys, see you then. Okay guys, so it's been another 10 minutes for this pot roast here, and we're gonna check on it and see it should be done now. So that's it for this Guyana pot roast chicken, guys. So that's it there, guys. This pot roast chicken is done and ready. Let's see what it tastes like. Delicioso. Very good, guys. This is soft, tender and juicy. And so delicious, guys. You gotta try this recipe. Okay? So there you have it, guys. Another real nice recipe for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. You get notified of every video that we post to YouTube. Please share this video, and as always, thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video, take care. Bye.